YouTube has a simple video editor that you can use to edit videos after you have created and uploaded them. This tool is mostly for fixing small mistakes, like blurring some parts, cutting out sections, and changing the music to tracks from the YouTube library. YouTube also has a video editor that works on your phone, but it is not the same as the one in the studio. In this video, we will see how to use the cut tool in the editor. To access the editor, go to your Content tab in YouTube Studio. Find the video you want to edit and click on it. On the side, you will see a menu specific to this video. Click on the editor. Now you have a few options. The first one is for cutting out parts of the video. The next one, blur certain parts if you want to cover private information or faces. The third option is to change the audio. The last two options are for end screen and the cards in the video. These two things can also be edited on the main page of the video. Let's see how to use the cutting tool. Click on the first option. Now you have two windows to edit. The top window is for the video itself, and the bottom video is the timeline where you can see all parts of the video. If the parts you want to cut are at the beginning or the end of the video, just drag the blue line to where you want the video to start or end. If you want to cut something from the middle of the video, place the cursor on the video timeline at the right point and click on New Cut. You will see red borders. This is a part you can cut. Move it to the right position in the timeline. If you are not sure, use the video window to see exactly what you are cutting out. After you are sure, click to confirm. You will see on the left one line of the first cut. If you want to be more precise, click again on this cut and you can change the exact time manually by adding numbers. You will also get a new button that says Preview. You can watch and it will skip over the part you deleted. It is important to watch this because you might find that you have cut out words or important things. If you want to add a new cut, change the cursor position and click on Add Cut. On the right side, you have the option to zoom in on the timeline so you can manage the editing more precisely. On the left side, you have option to undo and redo. On the top right side, you have the option to discard changes or save. When you save, you can't add more cuts. So make sure you cut everything you want in the first round. It will take a few hours for the video to be visible on YouTube with the new cuts. If you do live streams, you can use this tool after the live stream is over to cut out the beginning where you ask everyone if they can hear you, or if you have a long waiting screen before you start. You can also use it if you need to cut something out after you uploaded the video, or if you have dated information in your video that you want to cut out. This tool is not for editing video, it is just for making final touches to the video you already have on your channel. If you want to edit video, you need a different tool. When you click on the three dots next to the Save button, you will see an option, Keyboard Shortcut. These shortcuts are very useful because it is more convenient to edit with shortcuts instead of clicking with the mouse all the time. This shortcut works for all the editing tools in YouTube Studio. If you want to know how to blur faces or sensitive text, click on the next video.